Rise and shine, Optimal Odyssey Fusion fam. Tired of feeling sluggish in the morning? I bet you're not doing this one thing most people miss. Hint, it has nothing to do with coffee. What if I told you a simple morning habit could supercharge your metabolism, boost your mood, and make your skin glow? The secret is easier than you think, and it all starts with water. In this video, we're diving into the science-backed reasons why prioritizing morning hydration is a game changer for your health and well-being. Let's unlock the secrets to feeling your absolute best, starting with the first sip of your day. Think of your metabolism as your body's internal engine. After a night's rest, it needs a little kickstart. Studies show that drinking water on an empty stomach can boost your metabolic rate by up to 24%. That means you burn more calories throughout the day, even at rest. Another way we can think of metabolism is to visualize your body's energy-burning engine. And like any engine, it needs the right fuel to run efficiently. Think of water as the premium fuel your metabolism craves. Your brain is the control center of your body, responsible for everything from thoughts and emotions to learning and memory. Just like any high-performance machine, it needs the right fuel to function optimally. And that fuel is water. Your brain is about 75% water. When you're dehydrated even slightly, it can affect your cognitive function. When your brain lacks sufficient fluids, its cells can't communicate as effectively, leading to a range of mental roadblocks. For example, 1. Brain fog, feeling fuzzy, unfocused, and unable to think clearly. 2. Difficulty concentrating, struggling to stay on task and maintain attention. 3. Slower reaction time, delayed responses and reduced decision-making abilities. 4. Fatigue and low mood, feeling tired, irritable, and unmotivated. Morning hydration helps replenish lost fluids, improving focus, alertness, decision-making, and improve your mood. Think of it as giving your brain a power shower. While you sleep, your body works hard to repair and detoxify. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps flush out toxins, promoting healthy skin and a natural, radiant glow. Get ready to say hello to that "I woke up like this" feeling. Benefit 4. Appetite control and weight management. Often we mistake thirst for hunger. Starting your day with water can help curb cravings and prevent overeating. Plus, research suggests that drinking water before meals may reduce calories. Go for cold water. Cold water requires more energy to heat up, slightly increasing the calorie burn compared to room temperature water. Aim for 16 to 24 ounces. Start your day with 2 to 3 glasses of water. You can add a squeeze of lemon or lime for flavor. Time it right. Drink your water about 30 minutes before your first meal to give your metabolism a head start. Benefit 5. Boost your mood and energy. Dehydration is linked to fatigue and low mood. Proper hydration helps your body produce energy more efficiently and increases oxygen flow to your brain. The result? You'll feel more energized, positive, and ready to conquer the day. Benefit 6. Digestive health and regularity. Drinking water helps activate your digestive system and keeps things moving smoothly. It aids in the breakdown of food and helps prevent constipation, leading to a happier, healthier gut. So there you have it. 6 incredible benefits of morning hydration. As we conclude this video, here is the science behind hydration. First, improved blood flow. Dehydration can thicken your blood, making it harder for oxygen and nutrients to reach your brain. Hydration thins the blood, promoting healthy circulation and brain function. Second, neurotransmitter balance. Water plays a crucial role in the production and regulation of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers responsible for mood, focus, and cognitive function. Third, reduced brain fatigue. Dehydration forces your brain to work harder, leading to mental fatigue. Hydration helps reduce this strain, allowing you to think more clearly and effortlessly. Make it a habit to prioritize water as soon as you wake up, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel inside and out. Subscribe to Optimal Odyssey Fusion for more health and wellness tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode.